Hello, my name is David Hyatt, and I'm going to demonstrate the tool management program I developed for my Management 330 class. This used the CRUD process. This is the home page. Here's the home page URL, hyattdrums.com/final.aspx. Made a couple of assumptions regarding this, and what this would be is a program that would be used in a tool supply shop for power tools to employees. So again, using the CRUD process, we have the create, retrieve, update, and delete scripts. Let's go ahead and start off with the create script. If you notice, there's a couple of drop downs here. The first shows the types of tools that are available for checkout. Let's go ahead and pick a circular saw, and then I also have a tool condition drop down, which shows the conditions of the tools at checkout, so that if an employee, say, returned a tool in worse condition than he checked it out, then maybe a charge could be levied for the employee. Let's go ahead and select very good condition for this circular saw. I'll go ahead and type my own name in. And then this is a checkout, so we'll just go ahead and create this entry. And here we go. Here's the circular saw, the condition, my name, and here's the checkout date. You notice the check-in date is just a default of 1900, which is ridiculous at this time of history. So let's go back to the home page. Go back to the create, and what I'll do is I'll show a couple of things as far as the input handling that is put into the code. Let's say if I put the date in and I leave the name fields blank, let's see what happens. Arrows pop up, last name is required, first name is required, and then we could also do this. Change the date, and now the date is not in the correct format, so we get an error for that. And again, because I did not follow what I had specified up here, it's pretty tight on the date, so you have to have it exactly that as it should be. So go ahead and create that, and we have our second entry. So let's go back and retrieve is what we just looked at. Just take a look at that. Go back home. The update script, we can make some changes to this, and this is where we would this is where we would select one of the asset IDs. Let's say we pick this one, and I want to change it to change the name. Update, and the name has been changed. Now let's say I'm going to return the tool. We'll go back to the update screen. I click on the asset ID, and now I can put in the checkout date. So let's say I return it the same on the 3rd. And there's our check-in date. Go back home. Want to delete this entry, and the entry is gone. And that is my tool management program. Thank you for visiting my page. Goodbye.